Hey friends, if you wish to change mouse cursor size, color scheme and all, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So obviously search for cursor and then go to text thickness. Okay. Now the mouse cursor size, see here's the thing. This is the pointer, the one that I am rotating, and the cursor is this one that's moving here. So to change the cursor size, you can change the size here from this option, or you can activate the cursor indicator and then you can change the size of the cursor indicator like this. You can add a color to it for more accessibility, or you can add more add other colors. And if you just want to change the thickness, you can use this slider here and see what happens. Okay, it's more visible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.